This is their action.
Mommy,
I think this is their
this one,
action.
this one.
What is that?
What? Why there's card
Yeah,
here?
you can put it over there.
Why there's card here?
That's your right. You're doing well.
Mommy, help
No,
me.
push it deeper.
Let me help you. How about you by yourself?
Oh, it's fixed. Oh, no, it can turn. See the thing? Look.
Done.
This one?
Oh.
Yes.
You want to connect the
yeah.
dots? Mommy, give me pencil. I'll make this.
What is that? Oh, you can put
Connect a dot.
stuff
How about no? I don't want it.
over there.
How about I don't want it?
How about you make your dino first?
But this one I think don't have to make a dino. Nope. Cannot make a dino with this one. Wait. How about this one?
Broken. Mommy, one bird broken.
This is all of the birds.
It's okay, you can still use it to put stick on the book.
Wait.
Mommy,
Oh, look.
stick in the boat.
Dinosaur.
Mommy, it's okay. Stick in the boat and do.
Yeah, you can stick it
Look
on
at the
the
dinosaur.
You can open it, this one. Oh yeah, this is
Coco,
like a bit
this you
sticky,
can
you're
pick
right.
off it. Look at this, Coco.
Okay, we stick it together. You
This
can
is
you find it
dinosaur.
for where?
We can take them out.
I know, got
These are
it.
cards. Yeah.
Do, 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 do.
I can do the last one and I'll take them out. Is there more?
Do, 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 do. I can walking. Lord, where's my leg? Boing, boing,
I'll
boing.
help you with
This is here, it's right.
card.
Hmm?
And I'll take out this card.
What is broken?
No.
Oh, what's this? The sea monster.
don't
No,
worry.
no. Okay, fine. No. Oh, we're starting with the birds. One card out. Let's go. Let's go. We have a lot. What? There it is. Ding.
Can put it right.
One more. Ding, done. Now you have to get it out.
That's so cute.
Ding, 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 ding. Done. Now I have to what's just that trash again?
Can I spot it anywhere? What is that?
Cards.
Card? Wow, have so many cards. What about dino card?
Yeah, to learn. What?
Many cards in the book. Wow, so many cards. That's a cool card. Wow. Oh, there's a type of dinosaurs there.
The flying ones.
Cool. Can you explain it? What is that?
Mommy, look, they have their names here.
Oh, yes.
The red ones. They're in the red bars.
Before you open it, what is this? This is Star Wars.
Star Wars cards matching. They have two cards that are the same. Wait, match.
Uh-huh.
This is for matching which one with which one. Oh, you must mix them all. You must mix it all first.
Oh, this is cool.
Mix it first. After that, that's a guessing game. Which
Can I
one with
see
which
it
one?
all? Can I see it
And
all?
then first put them, but cover them, but not the pictures.
Oh, yeah.
Just the Star Wars picture, and then you have to guess which one and which one is the match.
Oh, you must find
You can
the
help
best
me
one,
with the other page. Hey, I'm doing this.
Okay.
Help.
Oh, yeah. Yes, you're right. Find the match
Wait,
one.
give me, but I cannot. How about I will collect them? How about see here?
Just match. And match the match
This
one.
one. No. Let's do the mosasaurus.
I know what is this. Gignotosaurus. 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 Mommy, this is a Gignotosaurus.
I never watched this.
Mommy, this is a Gignotosaurus.
What's it?
Gignotosaurus.
Oh, yeah.
Take the card out and collect it. Mommy, stop it. Stop doing like crazy.
Done. I'm done with the Gignotosaurus.
I want to see what card is here. I think this is the cool one. Have a fire.
No, this is a laser.
Oh, these are the fire.
Yeah.
Next dinosaur.
Yes, of course.
Hey! Why just slipped? It just slipped from the back. From here and then it slipped to the back.
These are all of the types of dinosaurs of T-Rexes. An iguanodon?
Wait, Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Tyrannosaurus Rex.
Done. There's a card there.
Mommy, I love to collect cards.
Can you explain it? What is that?
No.
Spinosaurus. There's a Spinosaurus.
Can you read this book? This is the outside. Can you read it? What's up? Deadly
Have a lot of
dinosaur.
stickers.
Oh, oh yeah, this is something this card.
100 stickers. Sticker sheets.
Wait, what?
And why did 1,000 here? Wow, for 1,000 sticker and press out.
Huh?
And press out. Oh, and press out. I mean this one, the press out. This one. And the press out is the press out.
Kitty here. Kitty here.
Wow.
The yellow ones.
So very cool.
There's lots.
Oh, it's different?
Yeah, they're different. But I think some of them are the same.
Oh,
Wait, you need 2 players.
2 players?
2 players.
To play the card? Oh yeah. This is instruction, yeah. Yeah, we can play together. So this is we can play match and one or match and match.
Not
Match and
match. No.
No?
No, they're different. All of them is different.
This is for matching.
Let me see this one first. What of the
2
name of
more.
the book? Deadly Dinosaurs. Ultimate Sticker and Activity 1. Have 4 books. Okay. Deadly Dinosaurs. Ultimate Sticker and Activity 1.
How about the roar like this?
And have another. Yeah, serious. Oh no, this is the inside one.
Yeah.
This is the 4 books is inside of this guy. Can I see the 4 books? Wow, you have done good. It's cool.
Yes. The megalodon's head is keep falling out. The megalodon's head keeps falling
right
out.
up. 4 books.
Can you
Red,
down.
green, purple, blue.
huh?
It's funny.
Oh, this is
Color.
cool.
Ooh, let me show.
Whoa, 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 whoa,
Wow.
Ooh, lightning storm. Ooh, lightning storm. Ooh, lightning storm.
You're so funny.
You have done doing what the sticker book? Maybe you have done with your sticker book? You have done with your sticker book?
You're so kind.
So why you take it?
2
Why you
players.
want to take it off? No, one by one. That is so mad.
This is what I'm talking about.
You must finish it one by one.
Animal.
Letter. It's a 4 letter.
Animal.